So it's another day, another website. Let's just fix the hair. Let's post a post so people know that I'm here. Oh, this one was from yesterday. Why doesn't, okay, it doesn't see my latest thing. Let's just copy this one. That's actually a real message I wrote without AI. Sometimes I stun myself how great I can be if I don't really open AI, if I don't like just go to AI straight away. That's I should do it more often, you know. Sometimes I just like I'm tempted. Oh, you know, you have a post, so then I'm writing almost everything to AI, and then it kind of reformats it, and I think it's great. But it doesn't really. It's not that great. I think like most of the time I can just write my own shit. Maybe I should, and it doesn't take that long. I think. Like I've been doing it for too long, for too much, you know. I've been doing it too much. Like I would just explain everything to AI, and then instead of just like thinking for a minute and trying to format it and then read it and reread it and just trust myself, I just kind of just throw it into AI. It kind of formats it nicely most of the time, and then I'm fine. So maybe I should actually stop doing that. Let's give myself a like actually. So yeah, it's gonna be a one liked. Yeah, so I have a one like here. This no one was watching. Somehow I think that no one is watching some of my videos. So yeah, but I will still be posting them. Shorts, they seem to be more popular, except this one. Where I was trying to apologize to Google, and they didn't really. I don't feel like they will like my apology. Maybe they just decided that it's not really for them. And some music. Let's see if any of my old videos are. Oh, copyright. Yes, again. What was it about? I think that was. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's actually something that one of the listeners, one of the viewers actually recommended his own Bavarian or like German music, which sounded actually quite decent. Like I kind of like. I started liking some of the folk music, although it's copyrighted again. Like some, you know, you wouldn't think that it is, but it's a song from like 10 or 15 years on YouTube, and it's obviously copyrighted. So let's not play it. Let's just play the same stuff that I can trust. So I can trust that this song will not get me in trouble. Hi there. Kavishan. Are we like, do we have a history here? So today I will be working on, yeah. Okay, so joined recently, yesterday, yes? Good to see you again. Nice to see you, dude. Sorry, I'm doing some cleaning of some of my videos because like sometimes I'm playing some music and it's getting copyright strikes, like this one a couple of days ago. Like I think that was 2 days ago. Yeah. So then I just get information that this one, we didn't like you actually using our music. So that just, I'm gonna play this Polish music, which is, I know that I can do that. I can play it because no one gonna, like there's no copyrights on that one. And I liked it, you know. So the girl is smiling and hugging a boy, which is a beautiful thing, obviously. And so it's not too loud. Okay, so I will have to come back here again later. But basically today I just want to rework one website. And it's called Szklarnia Sielska. This is actually a Polish website of my wife. So this is my lovely wife. And she's doing this handcraft stuff. So we have a website where she can post that kind of events. And she does it on Instagram. But I built it with WordPress and I absolutely hate this, what WordPress has become. Because you have to like do everything through those like templates, or maybe I just don't know how to work with WordPress anymore. But you have to go through like templates and stuff, and I just don't like it. I just don't like the way it works. I mean, I think I'm thinking about doing one of the two things. I will either do a WordPress site as a backend for my what is it called even? for my Gatsby. So I'll actually make another Gatsby site. So yesterday I did this one, pixels and logic, and I was actually on an event. Okay, this one, it's annoying because there is SSL certificate that I have to reinstall. But like for some reason my my internet is blocking it. So yesterday, like you could see me working on pixels and logic. So it's pixels and logic.eu, and on my phone it works fine. But for some reason on my machine it keeps on getting blocked, and I can reinstall like a SSL certificate. Yeah, it's nice. Or I don't know, or maybe not. So, oh, and actually yesterday there's one more magical trick I forgot to do. So let's just do it quickly now. With AI, that one thing I like it to do is those, like, can you do stuff for other computers, for other AIs? So I can actually ask it to do SEO. So like, can you do proper SEO? Is it like SEO for this website? I want all the proper global tags, titles, and even images to be properly described, properly tagged. And like, this is nice, actually. This is like one of the nicest things that AI can do for you. I mean, you know, writing code is useful, although I still like writing code. So like, but this is stuff I absolutely hate, you know, to go through the website and put those, like, you know, those SEO tags, like titles, and you know, title is obviously very important, but like those, like there's a bunch of tags. I will show them in a minute once it will actually create that. So yeah, and like then go through each image to make it SEO friendly, not SEO friendly. So this is a hassle always for me, and I never like it actually that much. And I know, but I know for each website it needs to be done. So let's just do it now. So we have our SEO here, good. So there's another component that it actually created. There's some OG image. I don't know what this does, because it's an error. I don't know. Let's see. Maybe it's generating this image. I don't know. So we've got, what's this? Structured data website. Okay, so this is some sort of content type. So it's actually creating some sort of object, like scripts that it will inject into my index now, yes? Yeah, so this is actually, it's adding it here. Keywords. Oh yeah, SEO. Yeah, so this is here. Yeah, okay, this it did it actually quite nicely, because it also, like, it still listens to my I've got this project instructions, how it should be formatted. So then it's actually formatting it the way I want it. So we just had title before, which is okay, obviously, although like we just want it to be done properly. And it created this robots thing, so it's a robot, so it created thing for other robots, you know. So me robot, me AI, I will just prepare that for other AIs. And there's this image, I don't know what it's doing. There are translations, so that's good actually, because my titles weren't translated. There's this, obviously, this 404 also has some sort of tag, good. Although like the 404 is not translated, so it didn't really listen to my instructions from yesterday. Okay, I don't really care too much about 404 page, whether it's indexed or not. Oh, and it created a guide. Oh, thank you. This is great. Whoa. There's some structured data. Let's see what the structured data does. FAQs. What's this? Breadcrumb schema. I don't know, actually. I never did this one, actually. Schema. Some schema. Yeah, I've never done that, actually, myself. And like, yeah, I'm calling myself like very experienced web and, you know, app developer. And there are things I've never done actually. Even this, like, looks very foreign to me. So I'm guessing this is just introducing more tags to my page that are, or some other technique of tags, like generate schema.org breadcrumbs list. Okay, so this is a page, so it should be used in page header. Yes. Okay, so let's just see. Although, like, this is services. I don't have this page. So why is it generating this? Do I have a page slash services? No, I don't. Okay, let's just see. So see a checklist. Yeah. Replace place holding open graph. Let's see what it's actually doing. After deploying your website, use the checklist to verify all SEO elements are working correctly. I'm not gonna do that. I don't really care if it's all correct, you know. Replace placeholder open graph image with actual brand image. Oh, okay. So this is something that he wants me to do. Pre-deployment. Verify icon exists is at least 500, but the icon probably is ish, you know, around. This is not really called icon. Yeah, okay. So this one should be no. Okay, I think I have it somewhere actually. I have it on my other version. New window. Open recent. Oh, someone is asking. JS tutorials feel easy, but coding solo feels impossible. Any advice on learning fundamentals while vibe coding? Don't do it. Like just learn fundamentals. Don't vibe code. Vibe coding is basically like vibe coding is almost totally like by default it's something that you just don't do coding. You know, you're just prompting your way through. So don't do it. If you want to learn, that's not a great place to learn. And if like even if you look at me now, I'm not really learning that much here. You know, I'm just like, you know, I don't like this part, so just redo it for me. Or just do something automatic for me, please. But yeah, in my opinion, it's not a good place to learn. If you want to learn coding, just do coding. Just write websites. And like, especially if you have time to spend, then you are wasting, like by vibe coding, you are wasting time if you want to learn, if this is actually what you want to do. So don't, yeah. Again, okay. If you want to learn JavaScript or any other languages, don't vibe code. Vibe coding is not really good way for learning. It's a shortcut to make websites quickly, or like apps quickly, or software quickly, basically. But it's not a good place to be learning, you know, unless you really read this and like. But then still, like, I don't feel like you are learning that much, because the learning is happening where it's hard. Your learning is happening like the best learning basically is like those are things that you remember, because you have to struggle to do something. And like, you know, doing vibe coding is almost trying to get to the place where you don't have to struggle, where you just prompt your things and just give it to AI, and then it does it. And like, then look, I've been vibe coding. I said my AI to do SEO, and it just did like those files. Obviously they're nice, but I mean, they might be useful, so I might learn a bit from here. But the thing is, like, it did all of that for me, and I don't really like, if I was just purely that vibe coding, I wouldn't know what's here even. Like, I would just commit that and just go. If you start reading if you start reading this content, then you are step forwards at least. So you actually read your code. That is probably useful, you know. Although, like, I think writing your code is where where most of the learning happens. It's just by writing code, not by reading. Reading is okay. I mean, it's useful, but it's not. Yeah, but most learning is by writing code. So don't use AI if you want to learn. If you want to do something quickly, then AI is probably a nice crutch to do that. Let's see my SEO checklist. So I have to replace this one with actual brand image. Ooh, that's a big one. I don't have that's such a big image. Yeah, I don't have such a big image for my website. Go to Canva and try to export it. Yeah. What Canva? So yeah, this is my logo. I don't know what's brand image even. I don't have one. I have this actually as a logo. Don't know actually. What's my brand image here? This is not the one. This is not the one as well. Don't know actually. Yeah, that's my YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe. Are you a subscriber or are you naughty? Are you just watching without subscribing? That's obviously naughty of you. Oh yeah, I was going to rework this website. And yeah, let's just commit that for now. I think like I will think of this image later. Maybe I will just copy this. Copy an image from other place. Oh, where is it? So here in static, I think I have logo. Let's just put it here. And oh, this is JPEG now. Yeah, okay, that's not what I'm gonna do. Projects. I don't know what to put even there. Like, what sort of image? What's my brand image? Placeholder open graph image. What the hell is open graph image? Brand image. Don't know. Actually, don't know. Maybe logo. What's? Okay, open graph image. Let's just Google that one. Oh, this is where I'm landing. See? Oh, this thing. So this is like a screenshot of a site. Is it? Let's just open graph image. Open graph image. Website owner creates open graph image. The image fits perfectly into Facebook post when... Oh, that kind of thing. Okay. Image for the web. Okay, so this is if you are sharing my website. Okay, useful, obviously. Obviously very useful. This is how to do it in WordPress. And the recommended size is 12 by... But I don't really know what to put there. Like, is this like my logo or something? I'll have to make something nice, but I'm not going to. Canva. Yeah, back to Canva. Okay, let's just do my logo. So like, let's just do so I will just copy this. I will just copy that. And create file, create new design. And this one is, what was it? What was the size? It was like 1300. Sorry, wife. 1200 by 630. Where is it? 1200 by 630. Yeah, 630. Post landscape. Yeah, something like that. Create new design. So let's just make this black. Let's just drop my logo here. Oops, not this one. Pixels and Logic. Yeah. And just export it as download PNG. That's JPEG. Download. Let's just actually make it into like really lower quality. I don't need it to be like super high. Yeah, medium quality. I think it's gonna be fine if it's smaller. Let it just load quickly. Pixels and logic. Website new, pixels and logic. And it was public. Was it? Static. OG image. Yeah, that's the one. Good. Okay, this is done. So logo as well. Which one is the best? Which one am I using here? Ah. Ah. Why? Why am I so punished heavily? Okay, so like the image icon is there, although it's just different size. Okay, so it's images. Source. Images icon. Yeah, ish. Okay, that's fine. I don't think it needs to be square, does it? Probably it says should be, but okay. Actually, yeah, let's just do a square. I think I have it already somewhere. So I'm not really doing what I promised I will do, but just a minute, just one more minute, please. So this one is here. Good. And here I have source, public, images, logo. Yeah, no. Yeah, okay. Hero. No, no. Okay, that kind of stuff. So probably that's the one. But no, actually. I thought I have like some sort of versions. Somewhere, maybe here. Oops, component. Layout. Don't know, actually, don't know. Don't know. Okay, no. Seems like I don't have one. Yeah, let's just keep that as it is. Doesn't matter. Fuck it. Check the site Gatsby config matches production URL. Let's see if it does actually. Just to be sure. Oh, actually, let's just open this one that I had it. Oh, where is it? Where is this checklist? Yeah, implementation summary. No, I actually don't need all of those things. SEO, SEO checklist. Where is checklist? Gatsby config TS. Gatsby config TS. This should actually obviously be keep it all. 1900 lines. That's a big one again. Okay, where's the yeah, pixels and logic. Yeah, that's the one. And that's the one. Yeah, good. Looks correct. Why are there so many of them? Why do I need all of this? Setup complete. Okay. I don't need all of this. Crap. No, I don't need this. Let's just Gatsby build locally to verify errors. Let's just do Gatsby npm run. I think build would work, isn't it? npm run. Okay, yeah. Okay, if you are so specific about it. Usually I use yarn, and yarn knows how to run scripts. But in this case, it doesn't. Yeah, sorry. And it's just like there's a contract I have to termin practic. Oh, okay, so Okay, let me just send one thing. I'm sorry for looking away, my friends. Yeah. Yeah, sorry for that. Oh, there's no one. Is there like, I don't know, I can never trust my stats on this thing, and like, unless it's like thousands. I've never had thousands though. I had a couple of hundreds views. Yeah, no one's here. Good. Okay, I don't have to worry too much. Unless there is somebody and I don't see it. Yeah, okay, let's just build the site. Okay, so this one, I think it's fine. I'm supposed to check something now. Although, like, I'm not gonna save this stupid guide. I don't need that. Implementation. Okay, yeah, you did that. Thank you. You are great. You are great. You did all of that stuff. I don't really care too much, you know. Like, SEO here is nice if it's gonna be good, but I'm not gonna be verifying those things. I don't really care. Images. Yeah, you did it. Thank you. Yeah, pixels and logic sitemap. Yeah, looks good. Looks correct. Looks okay. Yeah, but like the good thing about what I like. Let me just record that as well, because I think start recording. So I've actually prompted this. I've prompted my Copilot to actually go do my SEO, and this is obviously one of the jobs that I like the least in web development or in app development. So it actually went through all of my files and it told me what to do with how to, you know, what to update, and I actually had like checklists as well that told me what to make sure that works, more or less. So that's what's good about it. It's like my Copilot knows my application very well. It knows what I have actually in my app and what we built before. So that's a website I built yesterday over like 4 or 5 hours, and it actually has a context of this website. So it went through all of it, and obviously did all of those tags, which I obviously wouldn't really like to spend time on implementing. Usually I would do probably a couple of those. Like, usually I wouldn't really go that far, as you know. So probably I often don't do, you know, those images for Twitter or stuff, unless clients needs it or something. But for my own website, I wouldn't really do that. So what I like here is, you know, the machine AI, the Copilot did something that machines like, and it did actually this robots thing, which I often forget to do, and then it just implemented it with languages. So that's actually something that it did nicely within my app. So that now this app should be actually pretty nice in terms of SEO. So I hope it's gonna show in the browser. Sorry, I hope it will show now in search engines, and everyone will know about it in the world. This is basically my agency website. Let's call it that way. npm run start. Yeah, so this is my website for my business, where I'm trying to find customers for building apps, and I have people actually that I'm working with, like developers who are ready to actually work on. They're like on the bench now, and they're waiting to work on a new project. So I want to sell some development time to different companies, to different businesses, where I would be creating applications for them, or websites, or some more complex apps online. So this is my business that will try to do that. So that's called Pixels and Logic, and it sometimes doesn't show. Let's just open localhost 8000. Yeah, so this is my business, so this website I created yesterday with AI, and now okay, I can see that it doesn't apply my titles. So let's just make sure that this is actually applied correctly. Let's see if it's done by build. Yeah, let's just commit that actually. So hi guys, are you there? Like I keep on seeing people appearing and disappearing. I don't know what's happening. This is my my live stream. My YouTube seems to be, one time it says like there's a bunch of people, and one time there is 0 of people, and I never know actually. So if you are here, you can let me know if you have some questions. Like nice that Kavishan has some questions, so I hope I answered them correctly. Like, okay, basically if you want to learn programming, you don't do vibe coding too much, you avoid doing a vibe coding, and if you want to just do some quickly in a dirty way without worrying too much about the code quality, then you just do vibe coding, and then that's fine, you know. If you have a website to build and you want it for today, AI is great for that. You have an app that you want to build over a month or two, and you know how to. Odika, nie skacz tam, proszę. Sorry, just a second, my daughter is here. Już chwileczkę. Jasne. Yeah, sorry for that. I just don't want to show my daughter's face on the screen. It's, you know, we don't show our kids online. But yeah, basically, if you wanna learn coding, you don't do vibe coding. Vibe coding is not teaching you coding. Yeah, that's my opinion. I think that's probably something that you will hear from many people that deal with the code. You know, AI is good as a shortcut in some places, unless you really like read this code. But then it's better to write it yourself because you're gonna remember it better. Okay. Let's see if this site is, because there is something funny here about titles. Yeah, site title. Let's see actually my. Whoops, no. And actually, let me just reinstall my SSH certificate. It's funny. I always have to. I don't know why it's not keeping it. I just don't see it on my machine. I think it's working on other machines. Już chwileczkę. Just...
To jest dla Oli i Agnieszki, otwórz te dwa.
No. Motylki. Rybki. Fajnie. To ty to wymyśliłaś? Yeah, so I had to... Dobrze, super. Zamknij drzwi! Yeah, I had to validate my daughter's idea for a project. She had a project, which was like a drawings of a pond with fish inside. Fish. I think fish is plural as well. And like there was this kind of fold where you could actually see more. You know, she's very creative with that. This is obviously my website, and for some reason I just have to sometimes, if I want to see it on my machine, I have to reinstall this certificate. Yeah, oh yeah, I have 3 people. Okay, good to see you guys. So yeah, yesterday I built that, but although like I don't really like this bit because for some reason it's not translating it properly. Oh, go back. So this title tag is not being applied. So I think there is something again. I had this problem yesterday a bunch of times, so this is why it's good. I'm checking. Ooh, why is there this much styles? Is this like all styled components does? Maybe. Whoa, there's just so much crap. Status badge. I don't really need, like, I don't really care too much about that. Okay, so the title is somewhere here. Where is it? Where's my title? I don't see it. It's there because here. Yeah, this is obviously incorrect. Let's see other stuff. Okay, robot. Where is? Yeah, let's see if shit, I don't see anything there. I don't see any more. Oh yeah, SEO description. Here, okay. Yeah, let's just. I thought I was actually going to finish quickly, but as always, those things are never quick. My title are not applied properly at least on local. I'm getting a title, description, etc. SEO, description. Make sure translations work there properly as well. Yeah, let's see if my AI, please AI, fix this for me as well. And obviously this is my favorite thing for AI, you know, just do the robot stuff, just do the computer stuff. Generate things that computers will like. You, machine, do stuff for machines that you guys will like. Yeah, I see people coming and going, or maybe that's just, there's something about stats on here that I never know, because one time I have 4 people, one minute I have 6 people, and then 2, and then 0. I never know actually. So like if you are here, I encourage you guys to get into ask questions, especially while I'm doing this, you know, this silly prompting stuff. Okay, should I just move myself for now so you can see what's happening on the screen? And sorry. So I just wanted to check my. What did I wanted to check? I don't know. Oh yeah. If there's everything correct with this podcast. Sometimes I'm checking it on my phone because I can't hear myself here. I can hear the music only, and I was trying to set it up that way so I could hear myself. So I just wanted to check my. What's your target revenue? Whoa. I don't even know how to tackle that kind of question. Target revenue for what? Be more specific, my friend. Target revenue, just I think infinity, you know? If I understand correctly, my target revenue is infinity. But no, I mean, if you can specify more, I can try to actually answer it better. Not with a joke. The thing is, like, you know, if, like, for my products, like, I wanna sustain my family. Yeah, I'm gonna monetize my product, right? Like, I just, like, I'm actually working on multiple products now, and maybe that's a mistake, I don't know. But by doing those products, I want to be able to sustain my lifestyle. So I don't really have to go to external companies to work for, you know. So that's couple of, for me it's just average Eastern European or Central or maybe Western European developer salary. If I can get that, I'm happy with my product. So I will actually stay on that path, you know. So that would be good in terms of income from that. If there's more, you know, I wouldn't mind to drive a Porsche or something. I will actually try to get more. But like, I'll be happy. I will be really happy if I can just, I don't know what's it doing now. If I can actually make my sort of corporate living, my sort of corporate salary, if I could do that, that would be great. And I wouldn't really complain. But I don't really, like, I'm not looking into that kind of, don't make those files for me. Go away, I don't need that. Sorry, it's just my AI is doing stupid stuff. I'm asking because I'm in the same boat, bro. I'm experienced software engineer, but now want to quit. Yeah, so that's, I think, like, you know, there's two goals I have now. You know, one is try to limit my spendings, because that's always a hard one, because if you're spending too much, you really have to make a lot, obviously. So it's like there are two ways of like sustaining your lifestyle, you know, either spend less or earn more, or, you know, but basically you have to make more money than you spend. So that's the basic thing, you know. So in my case, yeah, as I'm saying, like, it's a average Eastern European developer, which we can probably easily check. Oh, now it's working, good. So if I make, I don't know, 40 or 50,000 euros per year from my side projects, I'll be really happy, you know. It doesn't have to be much more. But yeah, it's too toxic those days. Yes, I am. I really, oh, don't even get me started. There are things I can't say, to be honest. So at least about some more recent examples. But the thing is, I'm still sort of applying for jobs just in case, you know. I had this like Google interview recently and it went well. I had some other ones that didn't really go so well. But like, if I can get like, and currently I'm not really making, except actually this one, my wife, she's making money for the family, and she's actually able to do like 1/3 of what we need. So this is pretty good. If I actually make this website today, because this is my plan for today, to make her redo this website, because it's not really doing very well, redo this website just like I did this one yesterday, and just properly with all the events that we have, because she has this handcraft stuff, and we just want to like subscribed, full support for you. Thank you. Yeah, great to see you. So so you are obviously working in corporate, and like I've you know, I spent there many years, like 15 years in corporate environments, and with two small breaks in between, you know. So I had one where I was building a product and YouTube channel with some other guys, although this wasn't very kosher, I guess. It wasn't very nice. I mean, what we were doing wasn't very good, I guess, and not 100%. You know, it wasn't illegal. We would do our taxes and stuff, but it wasn't like moral, I guess, 100% moral. So I did that, and this was actually paying for my even my corporate salary sometimes, you know. Like, but like back then, I just didn't spend that much, and now. Like, and then I had the second try to actually build this pattern market, which I'm reviving now, with 3 other people. I left in 2024 December for 1 year, and I did freelancing. But now I want to build my own projects. Already working on an app. Yeah, good. Yeah, congratulations. Yeah. What's your app? And are you talking about it? So let's yeah. If are you doing the same stuff as I am, or a bit more private about that? Yeah, so this is my other project, and I have like one more that is in pipeline, but the guy, because like I met like a guy here on stream that was saying that he's interested to build one for me. I mean, with me actually. That's how we would just share that one. So it's a kids storytelling app. Okay, nothing too fancy. Yeah, but the thing is, like, there's actually like, what inspired me actually to work on those things is there's actually lots of guys online now that are talking about building small micro SaaS. And like, even like this channel, I called it micro SaaS at first, you know. Yeah, there's like, I think this one, I was watching this one, and it kind of inspired me to actually do those things. So you just build small apps, and you just move on to the next one. And you know, the thing is like, I think like some of it, yeah, some of them might be lucky, and like they've been working on it for a year or 2 or 3. So I wouldn't be surprised if after a year I would be able to make that. But for now, I'm not really making from my max. But like the thing is like, yeah, my goal is to replace my corporate salary with that stuff. And yeah. Yeah, but the thing is that, yeah, don't worry. Now, things don't have to be fancy. Like if you, like, for example, to get to my goal, let's say I want to make 3,000 euros a month, yeah? And I have this, let's say, I have a pattern market, which is like my main project at this moment. Although, like, but you know, we could easily calculate how much I have to sell, you know. And like, so my standard is 29 per month, and obviously it's gonna be taxed. So if I make times 200, that's 25, that's 500, that's 500. So I need 200 customers on my product, which is not that much actually. I'm disturb you, no, haha, please continue vibe coding. How much profit? Peacefully, no problem. I will just finish this point. Basically, I just need this many, like 200 users to make on one app, to actually make my, let's say this is my corporate salary. I don't really know like how to, probably like my corporate salary is higher. In Poland, they pay almost as good as in anywhere in Europe, or like not as good as US, but like very good. So I can probably make, like if I made this, if I had 200 customers, I would be happy, you know, that would be great. I obviously have to pay tax of it, so like, let's say 300 would be would replace my job. Me working for corporation, it would replace that. And I have other stuff, so the stuff with my wife, she can make like 1/3 of what we need, so probably like 200 would be enough. And I will actually, I have a business partner that I think I will share like 10 or 15% with. So that I will have to give him away and give him that, and then there will be taxes and stuff. So yeah, if I get 300 customers on that project, I'm happy. So like even like if you are saying okay, it's not a fancy thing, like it, like if it contributes, then it's great. Okay, back to my app. Yes, thank you. Thanks for being quiet. And I hope you like the music. It's a Polish folk music, which I kind of like sometimes. It's kind of fun. It's not like it's kind of corny sometimes, but it's fun. Sometimes, and sometimes it's just kind of I'm getting sick of it. Let's just yeah, update translations. Okay, so this page I will actually count it as finished for today. This was actually something that I was promoting. I was on an event yesterday, Pitch Me Baby, which is like a sort of networking event, and there were people pitching their SaaS products, and I did it like a couple of weeks ago. I mean, before the Christmas, I did that as well with my app. So I was actually trying to promote this Pixels and Logics, and oh yeah, back. Oh, he's back. So I was trying to, like, I just built this website just so I might be able to get some clients, you know, to build their wherever, MVP or wherever, just wherever, any work, like I would do. Any digital work, basically. I could do website or app. And it's just, you know, we can probably do that. This would be like 3 weeks time. This would be like a 1 week project, like really quick one, MVP if you need that, or if they need that. I just need to start promoting it better. But yeah, I was trying to sell it yesterday as a thing. And again, my title doesn't work. Okay, it needs to deploy it now. So this SEO, I need to check it in a minute. So let's just get back to my wife's product. So my goal today, I would just do almost like I will do similar thing as yesterday. I want to create a website from scratch. So let's just do a new project. Oh no, not new window, actually. New project. Oh, one thing I will just copy from this one is my rules. So I had like project rules. Basic, they're very basic, you know, just make sure you do translations always. Do those, let's do theme and then just import those variables from there. Yeah, translations, always translate. I don't know, I had like 4 or 5 or like 3 or 4. Do styled components emotion. I do like that. I don't really like Tailwind. Yeah, just a couple of things that I like in project basically. So I'll just copy that rules and let's just start with new one, a new window. And where is it? New folder somewhere. Open folder, yes, here. And I think on the desktop I do have something for my wife's szklarnia. Yeah, it's a greenhouse that we have in our garden, and my wife is doing like she's doing like those handcraft workshops, so people can come and do pretty things basically. And I think the best place to see it is actually her Instagram. And I think I can go from here somewhere, yes. So this website I did with WordPress, and I used to like WordPress, but now it's just kind of, there's this templating thing. I couldn't get into that. I was just getting annoyed, and I was thinking like, okay, I get so many problems now. Okay, so she's doing this kind of stuff, and this is I think this is really nice. So like this stuff, and yeah, I have like plenty of those above my head now. So she does it out of hay, or is it called hay? I don't know. Yeah, so just, you know, she's doing all that stuff now. And yeah, and like, and on those actually, there are those like they're called Silanka, which is I think she's calling this Silanka. It's not that popular actually. Those are like, look, this is 111 likes and this is 17, so I think they are not that popular as this stuff. 210 likes, but yeah, yeah, she's doing those workshops, so you know, some people come there and pay her for showing them how to do the handcraft stuff. And yeah, and we did this before Christmas as well. Oh, come on. And this for the before Christmas. I'm not on Instagram basically, so I don't really like that. So my goal is basically to make her a website today. That will be, it needs to replace that. It needs to allow for, okay, let me just start writing that, because this is a prompt basically that I need to do. So this is yesterday's stuff, so I can start a new one. New to do. So the first thing is just got basic Gatsby website. Okay, let's just remove basic. It's a website. Needs to do what? And the reason why I like Gatsby now is because it's just so quick. It's damn quick. Like, look, this is loading. Okay, so it took like a second. And okay, here I don't have subpages. But I've built this one actually, Fastpack, a couple of years ago. And this is Gatsby. And this is instant. Bam. You know? A product. Bam. Yeah, just super for those like static pages. So what I want to do is needs to list current events. Okay. Oh yeah, let's just do, I think I can is it like a AI or like, okay, let's just ask my AI to analyze this page and this sub page. Okay, so let's just first give AI this And so it's just gonna copy that stuff from there. And I've got like workshop page. Those are workshop page. Events. Current are. Okay, so it's actually the goal is actually not to create a new website, but like redo the current website. So just add it to my prompt. Redo current site and lift all content from there, but create out of it create new Gatsby website. Yes. And we are just moving from WordPress from WordPress from current WordPress site. Oh, which isn't from there. Current WordPress. Yeah, okay. Pass this stuff too. So these are the pages that we want to copy. Copy stuff from these pages. Okay, the page website will have events. The new website will have upcoming events, and we can copy these are upcoming. I think there's 2M, yeah. Events on current site. The website will also have online. Oh, I'm thinking I'm covering stuff. Yes, with my pretty face. We'll also have online shop with. In Poland, we are not using Stripe. I think we are using PayU. Is it Polish? Yeah, płatności online. Yeah, I think we do that. Yeah, okay, let's just learn how to do it. I never did it. I think PayU integration. Bodybuilder puzzle. Okay, sandbox. Yeah, okay, I will have to integrate that. Shop with PayU integration. That's documentation for PayU. What else is there? I want also all past events are moved to past events section, and probably like we want also a gallery of previous where we will upload past pictures. There will be actually 2 galleries. We want also a gallery of. Okay, let's just explain it to you again. I'm for a web of event in our garden. Szklarniasielska. Yeah, we already have a website. We are building. Have a website in WordPress. And we want to reduce. We want to move as much as possible from there, but with new Godspeed website with new design. Okay, let's just try that. I think I will just. Yeah, this is my prompt basically. I'll just go for that. And I'll do the planning, obviously, like yesterday. So I'm just like, if you've seen it yesterday, you're probably gonna enjoy it even more. It's like watching Star Wars for the second time, you know, like your favorite movie. You just pick up new things. So that's actually, obviously, that's why you're gonna enjoy it. Oh, why there is no? Okay, this is here. So I want. Let's just paste this one. I'm building. Okay, let's just see. I am building. It's not we. Or maybe we are, actually. Let's just keep it like, yeah, because it's all of us here. It's a community of people building a website for my wife. So let's just try. Let's try this prompt. Let's see how it goes. And in the meantime, okay, let's just, while it's waiting, I will just make my music slightly louder. Oh, so it's not really showing the full screen, is it? Oh, okay, so let's just do this maybe that way. Yeah, I can see that it's cutting away some of the part of the screen. Okay, so while it's actually doing this lovely stuff, I will just go for a break. So yeah, I will see you in 5 to 10 minutes. I think 5-ish. I'm gonna have a coffee. And yeah, let it chew through it. It will probably ask me if I want to be, you know, initialize project. So okay, I need to allow a couple of things now. So that's package JSON. Good. Yeah, do it, my friend. Do it, my lovely AI. Okay, a break time. Yes, 5 minutes. Okay. I just realized that maybe I shouldn't be so... Should be nicer to you guys and show you while I'm doing a coffee. I should take you for a tour into my... and show you my coffee machine. So, yeah. And everyone is gone, so maybe I shouldn't really. Maybe it doesn't need to. Yeah, okay, let's just mute the music for now. Yeah, I basically messed up. I was trying to do too many things at one time. I just wanted to show you my coffee setup, which is in my garage. So this is and this is the messiest place in my house, obviously, as garages always are. So this is my mess, and this was actually cleaned not too far ago. But we have this crazy coffee machine. Let's just do coffee. It's a